Hi class, today is lesson 11-8, dividing integers. Our purpose for today, simply to divide integers. There's no vocabulary for today, at least no new vocabulary. We'll be using a lot of math vocabulary here momentarily. I want you to go ahead and copy this down. Dividing integers. If the signs are the same, the quotient is positive. So here we have an equation, actually two equations, where we have a positive number divided by a positive number. And we know in our experience over the last 7 years that when we do that, we come up with a positive number. Well, did you know that dividing a negative number by a negative number also gives us a positive? So when we have two signs that are similar in the actual division problem, we'll come up with a quotient that is positive. Two like signs, a positive result. Now, if the signs are different, if we have a negative number divided by a positive number or a positive number divided by a negative, the resulting quotient will also be negative. So, unlike signs, different signs with the divisor and the dividend results in a quotient which is negative. Now, when 0 is divided by any number, be it positive or negative, it'll always result in a 0. But of course, you can't divide any integer by 0. Okay? In other words, 0 can't be, in these two cases, the divisor or the denominator here, because it doesn't work. First example is 12 divided by a negative 3. First of all, I will note that there is a positive divided by a negative, and right away I know that these are two unlike signs in the divisor and dividend. So I'm going to go ahead and put a negative. It's going to result in a negative quotient. Then I'm just going to go ahead and divide the numbers as if they were positive. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So my answer, negative 4. For the next equation, or I should say expression, we've got a negative number divided by a negative number. Two like or similar signs, which results in a positive number. So I'm not going to put a sign. I guess I could put a positive here. And that's what you want to do. Great. Then I'll treat these as if they were positive. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So the result is a positive 5 or just a plain old 5. Next example involves just a bit of algebra, and this is just substituting a number for the variable. First of all, our expression is x over 3, or x divided by 3. We're going to go ahead and substitute a 6 for x, so that's 6 over 3, or 6 divided by 3. A positive divided by a positive is positive. 6 divided by 3 is 2, so it's going to be 2. Value of this expression. For b, x equals negative 18. I'm going to go ahead and write down the expression again with the variable x divided by 3. Next, I'll substitute the x with a negative 18 and divide that by 3. It's a negative divided by a positive, two numbers with unlike signs, which results in a negative number. So I'm going to put the negative in there right away. Then, acting as if these two numbers were positive, 18 divided by 3 is 6. The answer, negative 6. Next, we have two problems here that I want you to go ahead and complete. It's 100 divided by a negative 2, and then a negative 45 divided by a 9. Once again, I want to go ahead and suggest that you look at the signs and to determine what sign the quotient will have, what sign the answer will have. We'll see you in class. Bye.